in mornings in this one. At this point, you don't want to be swept. I'm sure masakit tanggapin. Even if we didn't have our 3 guards, again, it's still no excuse, right? Masakit tanggapin. So we have to get them, maybe work on them, get them to feel the pain today, then tomorrow we have to come back and get them ready.
Practice again.
Practice, but we can't really do anything. Maybe the other guys, BJ, Ange, pwede. The guys who didn't see that many minutes, but sila AD, sila Cliff, we'll have to manage it like parang game 4 ngayon to. Game 4 natin to. So, but, you know, we're blessed we're there. We earned it. You know, top 2 teams in the ASL. I think we're better prepared now kasi yung tatlong import natin nandito na. Diba, last year, nandun tayo, but our imports couldn't practice. Kumbaga, 2 practices of game day. So, I think that's an advantage for us.
You said the imports, so Allen and Ange already know how to play Philippine basketball. How blessed are you now? Kahit even though the guys are going to be in the first game, still clear intentions from sa ESL. You have guys already practicing.
Well, the thing is, Ange and DJ are a little bit of a disadvantage because they haven't had games on practices kami. But yung maganda dito kay AD, at least he just came off a semi, so he's in better shape. Right now, what we have to do is find ways to get them to play together. At mahirap rin ngayon in Macau. It's a new team. Like, it's very different from their team 2 months ago. There's nobody in that roster there that's from there. It's a whole new roster. So, you know, titignan natin na lang tomorrow. But more than them, I think the important thing is us. Meaning, in this type of games, it's hard to scout because we have no games. But sa amin, for me personally, I'm more concerned about us. Does DJ and Kwame, what they're doing? What are we points of attack? What are we doing in our flow? What are we doing defensively? So the more than scouting them, I think it's harder than with the new guys.
So hindi yung parang lineup mo?
Well, nakuha namin because we found out yung hotel list nila, I think, or travel list. So we got it lang. Hindi pa nilalabas ng ESL. We found, but kung tinignan ko yung lineup nila in the last 2 months, walang pangalan na nandun. So it's a whole new, even their staff is new. I think their staff is, the coach is from University of Memphis, who's head of their basketball operation. So bagong-bago yung ano nila. But, you know, we're excited. I'm excited, but it's gonna be very hard to get these guys locked in, most especially kakatalo ng sarili.
Understood. Thank you.